Morning guys, Andy Demi here. Hope you're well. So today I want to speak about something that I normally wouldn't, okay? And I want to speak about basically how trading rules can make you rich. Now, I'm deadly against the word make you rich only because of how it's used in this industry, okay? So it's hyped up like you can make money without doing any kind of work, and you know the story, right? Okay, so if you're listening to this, hopefully you've listened to me before, you'll know that I'm, completely the opposite of that. And, trading requires work and it requires a commitment. But what do I mean by trading rules can make you rich? Well, essentially what I'm talking about there is the goal of a trader shouldn't be to make money from the outset. The goal of a trader should be to find their way, their style, their way of trading, and then to understand the procedure, the process, the rules that are going to go into that system. Because what you want to be able to achieve is something that is scalable, repeatable, okay? And the money doesn't really matter from day one, okay? You can do it on a demo account, you can do it on a tiny account and make small amounts of money, but it's the formula, okay, and the rules around it. Because if you think about it like this, if you found a system, okay, that you developed, okay, or was taught to you and you kind of customized it, and you were able to say put in $1 or £1 into that system, and that $1 or £1 consistently turns into £2 or $2, right? Whatever your currency is. Well, guess what? You now have something that basically can make you very, very wealthy. Because simply put, it's just a case of putting more money into that system and getting more money out. Now, I know that's a simplistic way of explaining things, but essentially that's the goal. Okay, you want to find something that is scalable and rule-based, because when there are rules in place, it means you can't really fix the system, okay? The rules are black and white. And so when we refer to rules, I don't want there to be rules which allow for discretion. I want your rules to be black and white. So this color is red, this color is black, okay? There's no debating about it, and that's what you want to aim for. So, everything, like how you draw your trend lines, that should have rules. How you draw your support resistance lines, that should have rules. How you identify chart patterns and how you trade those patterns specifically has to have very defined rules. Okay, so, and when you have these fixed rules, now it's just a question of testing them. And if the whole process works, now you've literally got the ability to go and earn as much money as you want. Now, and it doesn't need to be your own money. Okay, so if you've only got a few £100s to invest, well, you just start with what you've got, build up your track record, prove that what you're doing is real and works, okay, even on a demo account can work, and then get investment, okay? There's lots of investors out there that would be willing to back you if you're a good trader, okay? And we would be one of them as well. So, we constantly invest in traders and in students that are doing well and can prove that they can basically be consistent. So here's what I want you to do. I want you to find a consistent way for you to make money. And don't worry about the numbers right now, worry about the input and the output. Okay, so if you put 1 in and you get 2 out, you're onto a winner. And ideally you want something that's kind of has longevity, so it's not something that's just going to work for 2 minutes, but it's actually going to be working for years, hopefully. Okay, and obviously you will have to tweak things as markets change, as volatility changes during seasons and during kind of coronavirus type events, but the main premise, the main structure will be the same. Okay, so that should be the things that you work on. If you need any help with this kind of stuff, feel free to kind of drop me an email or comment on or PM me, whatever it is, and I can kind of guide you and give you some things that you can kind of help you. So always, feel free to reach out to me if you need some help with this, but this should be your goal, and you can become very, very successful as a trader if you can kind of think like this and build something that you can absolutely believe in and you can follow, and it will, and basically it will allow you to kind of grow and scale up. Okay, Hope that helps, guys. Hope that's given you some insight into the way you should be thinking to become a successful trader. Have a good one, guys. Take care and see you soon. Bye-bye.